You got to do the work. At the end of the day, it's you who has to do the work. I'll be delivering the training program. I'll be trying to do everything in my limits so that you take actions. But at the end of the day, it's you who has to do the work. It's you who has to take the notes through the training program. It's you who has to take action. It's you who has to be consistent. Like you remember, I spoke in the first video that there are 3 types of people joining any of the training programs. The first person is somebody who drops out by the first or the second video. There's then second category who stays there through the entire video but then drops out after the training program. And then there is third category who stays with the training program for the lifetime. And you have to be that person in the third category. If you really want to bring that change, if you really want to be that successful, you have to be in the third category who not only took the notes, who not only went through the entire training program, who not only understood every single part of it really well and did everything that was asked to do in the training program, but continued doing everything, kept on doing everything, being consistent with everything, did not stop at any given point. He kept working on himself, he kept improving himself, he kept getting better on with everything. And you need to do that. You need to do the work. You need to take action. You need to take massive actions, I would say, if you want to get successful. This is not going to be a magic pill. This is not going to be a shortcut or a tip or a trick. I would say once again, this is not going to be a hack that will make things work for you. You need to do the work. You need to do the work. A guarantee that I have for you is that if you don't do the work, if you don't give the time, if you don't make the notes, if you don't come be a part of the group and ask questions and help others, if you don't be consistent with the things, then there is a guarantee that I have is that you are not going to be successful with anything in your life. This course is not going to work for you. This course is going to be a disaster, and you will end up saying that this course had nothing good about it. So you take that as a guarantee, you take that as a challenge, you take that as whatever you want to take, but it won't work until you work on it.